Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI, and if you are looking for a great book to read that's going to motivate you, then I highly recommend this one from James Clear. It's called Atomic Habits, Tiny Changes, Remarkable Results. And what he does is he breaks down the human side of habits and why we do the things that we do. He also has really impressive studies that he has put in his book in order to explain the habits, how to break out of a certain cycle and develop a new cycle. And so this has been really great for me. It's motivated me and shown my weaknesses. It recommends a lot of good things, for instance, a habit tracker, which I've recently got, and I'm starting to use that. And so it's really good whether you are wanting to build your business or you're a stay-at-home mom and you want to keep on track and keep doing a daily routine. Wherever you're at in life, there's a way that you can advance and make things better. And this book is really great for that. So I would highly recommend it. It's an easy read and it's really captivating. I like it a lot, but that's just my point of view.